So hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the check paraphrase on Visual Writing Tutor. So when you write a text, somehow you will be obligated to paraphrase all paragraph. For example, I will take on Google like John Lennon. We'll put it in English. And we'll take like the first paragraph. So to explain who is basically John Lennon. So we copy that, we put it in the text area, and now for check paraphrase we need to write something that will resume all the paragraph, like Lennon is one of the Beatles. So you click check, and you see what is the original sentence. Why a paraphrase? So it tells you how exactly is the same and if the paraphrase is acceptable. So thank you for watching. To another day.